All right, another fundamental trigonometric identity we're going to use is called the reciprocal identity. Now, I'm not going to spell it out because I'm not even going to pretend. You guys at this point should know I can't spell. So reciprocal identity. I'm just going to write these out for you because I've been saying them quite a bit in videos. That sine of theta, this is going to be 1 over, those are changing colors on me. What in the world is going on? Either way, 1 over cosecant theta. Cosine of theta is going to be 1 over secant theta. Tangent of theta is going to be 1 over cotangent of theta. And then, of course, then I have my cosecant of theta is 1 over sine theta. And then I have secant of theta equals 1 over cosine of theta. And then I have my cotangent of theta is 1 over tangent of theta. Okay, so don't know why my markers are changing colors, but okay, we'll just roll with this. I may just got a bad batch of markers. Okay, so these are the reciprocal identities, and this is what it's going to lead to. We're going to start having to try to simplify trigonometric expressions. In math, we always simplify, 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 and that's where we're going to start at. So say I want you to simplify tangent of theta cosecant of theta. I want you to simplify this down. Well, I know that tangent of theta, I can write this as sine over cosine from my ratio identity. And I'm going to say that this is given, so I'm going to do like an informal 2-column proof. So I know tangent is sine over cosine, and I know cosecant, I can come up here and say that's 1 over sine. So I can do 1 over sine theta. And I used what's called the ratio and the reciprocal identities. All right, now from here, I see that my sines cancel out, and that leaves me 1 over cosine theta, and this is just simplifying. And then 1 over cosine, I come up here, 1 over cosine is secant theta. And this is the reciprocal identity. So voila, tangent times cosecant is the same thing as secant, same exact thing. Now, if you guys notice, I went through this process of writing everything in terms of sine and cosine. As we get into simplifying and then verifying, that's going to be one of the main things that we're going to do is we're going to be able to write things in terms of sine and cosine, and we're just going to start simplifying through algebra. Now, in my class, we will always do this little 2-column proof. That's an expectation for me, and if you're not doing that, you're not going to get full credit on your questions. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.